everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's make today this small crochet project, gorgeous plush mini octopus. And today we will need plush yarn, hook number 4, scissors, stuffing, marker, patience and a good wood. And a great news that we don't need a needle today, because we start from slip knots, then we need to make 2 slip stitches, and in the second loop, if it's a bit fast for you, you can slow the video in settings, or you can watch my video tutorial on my YouTube channel for total beginners and learn a bit before starting this project. In the second round, we need to increase the quantity of loops, so we need to make in every loop 2 single crochets. In the third round, we need to make 1 single crochet plus 1 increase. Altogether, in the end of the round, we will have 18 single crochets. Also, I forget to tell you that we're gonna need some eyes. It's a safety eyes. You can use whenever you like. We continue crocheting and all we need to make is all single crochets in the next 4 rounds. In each round it will be 18 single crochets. I already made 4 rounds and it's time to put our safety eyes and fulfill the detail. In the 8th round, we need to make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. In the end of the round, we will have 12 single crochets. In the 9th round, we need to crochet in turn 3 treble crochet and slip stitch in turn till the end of the round. In the next round we need to make all single crochets behind the back side of crocheting, and it will be an estimate quantity of single crochets. Now we need to close our crocheting, so we need to